Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Now, if you want to protect your content, disabling right-click on your Shopify store is a great way to discourage image copying. So let's go through how to do it. First of all, you have to log in to your Shopify store. And to do so, just go to your web browser and in the search bar, click on shopify.com. Now, if you haven't already logged in, you will be asked to log in, enter your account credentials, and log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now, the next step is to go to the online store. Click on online store in the left hand sidebar of your Shopify dashboard here and select themes. Now, after the themes options appear, click on the three dots next to customize. Here you can see the actions you can applicate on your theme. Choose edit code. Now in your theme files, open the theme.liquid and scroll down to the bottom. Find the theme.liquid right here and scroll down to the bottom. Now copy this code right here. I'll leave you some time to remember it. And save. Make sure to save to keep your modifications and keep the code in. Click save. And just like that, right functionality will be disabled on your site. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now protected against right-clicking. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions or suggestions for the next tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.